This is the Jetta 6, and the location of the air filter here for the engine depends on the engine. This is one of the most inconvenient 2.5 liter engine, and in this vehicle the filter is located here, and you can get it from that side. So you will need to take this whole unit out. First of all, you will need to unscrew this to take out the intake elements, and then you can just pop it out. So it just pops out, and you can take this whole thing out of the car, and then you will just need to unscrew the bolts here and take out the filter, install the new one, and then reassemble everything to make sure it sits tightly, because otherwise you will go on some bad road, some road bump, pit, and it will just separate from the engine and will start rattling here. So make sure you fit everything tightly here. In other engines the situation is much better. You will have a separate box with the filter, and you will just need to unscrew several bolts, replace the filter, and just screw those bolts back. Usually it's Torx bolts, but anyway, it's like a 5-minute job, and just don't pay money for that. You can easily do this on your own.